Welcome to a journey through time, where we uncover the secrets behind one of history's most enduring architectural wonders, the Roman Colosseum. In this video, we'll delve into the ingenious engineering techniques and materials employed by the ancient Romans to construct this monumental amphitheater. But first, let's understand the scale of this monumental feat. Built between 70 and 80 AD under the Emperor Vespasian, the Colosseum stands as a testament to Roman engineering prowess. Its elliptical shape measures 189 meters in length, 156 meters in width, and reaches a towering height of over 48 meters. To achieve such grandeur, the Romans employed innovative construction techniques that were revolutionary for their time. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Colosseum's architecture is its use of concrete, a material that allowed for unprecedented flexibility and strength in construction. Unlike modern concrete, which primarily consists of cement, the Romans used a mixture of volcanic ash, lime, and aggregate. This concoction, known as pozzolana, possessed remarkable hydraulic properties, allowing it to harden underwater and withstand the test of time. But it wasn't just the materials that made the Colosseum extraordinary. It was also the innovative design of its structure. The amphitheater's tiered seating was supported by a complex network of vaults and arches, distributing the weight evenly and providing strength without the need for massive load-bearing walls. Beneath the arena lay another marvel of Roman engineering, the Hypogeum. This intricate system of tunnels and chambers allowed for the seamless movement of gladiators, animals, and scenery, adding to the spectacle of the games above. But perhaps the most astonishing aspect of the Colosseum's architecture was its ability to accommodate a wide range of events, from gladiatorial combat to naval battles. The arena could be flooded with water using a sophisticated system of channels and drains, transforming it into a stage for epic naval engagements. Throughout its long and storied history, the Colosseum has served as a symbol of Roman ingenuity and innovation. Despite the passage of centuries, its architectural brilliance continues to captivate and inspire visitors from around the world. As we marvel at the grandeur of the Colosseum, let us not forget the remarkable achievements of those who came before us. For in the stones and arches of this ancient amphitheater, we find not only a testament to human creativity, but also a lasting legacy of the power of engineering and architecture. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more intriguing history facts.